Welcome to Asheville NC. In this video, we are at the Looking Glass Fall. It's who is here? Go show me your
Me.
face. Show me your face. Wow, you are excited about that?
Yeah.
We came a little late today. We were thinking like it's gonna be hot day, but it's almost 5:30, and now it's around. The weather is like temperature is on 72. But it's beautiful. We parked our car there. There was plenty of parking on the side, but in hot summer days, sometimes you are not gonna find the parking, so you have to park like maybe, yeah. So here, this is around like 2 miles away from Sliding Rock. So let's see if we can get into water, or it's too cold to get into water. A lot of people are there. Oh wow! Look at this. That's cool. Nice. So there is a deck right here if you just want to stop here and enjoy the view. Very beautiful view from there. Wow. This is awesome. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Yeah, be careful. Nice place. There are no restrooms or anything like here if you want to change your swim dress or anything. Maybe you want to do in a car, or maybe do it. There, like from 7 miles from here, there's plenty of space. There is a small area. There are a lot of gas stations and all that. So before you get into Pisgah Forest, 7 miles from the Looking Glass Fall, there are plenty of restaurants, and all those places where you can change your dress if you want. But Sliding Rock does have those restrooms where you can change if you want to go in the water and all that. So here, very nice place. I am not seeing a lot of people in the water today, so it means it's really cold. The outside temperature is 72. We are in August, first week of August in 2019. Let's see what we have here. I really enjoy swimming in this water. Okay, go in front of me, right there. Who is with me? Heather. Hey. Okay, good job. Let's go and see what they have there. Nice. Yeah, pretty much everybody's out of the water. It's cold. The water is really, really cold. You can see from there. Very beautiful.
Sarah, watch out.
Yep. Let's go. If you want to go in the water, I will recommend like using water shoes or those kind of shoes here, because you will see a lot of rocks here. So most of the time you see that guy who's wearing those shoes. If you want to go in the water, I went many times in the water, and if you are using slippers or not shoes, it's very hard. So you see right there, a lot of people just take out and see from here. Beautiful scenery right there. And let's see what we have on this side. That's where we came from, on this side, and then now. All right, 1 second. And then here, look at this big mountain right there, and then water fell down in that part. That's when I jumped last time here, it was maybe 12-15 feet deep there. So you can kind of climb to some of the mountains. They're like 5 feet tall, and then jump from there, and it was pretty neat. Now on this side, that's where you're gonna see all the water. So, come on. So very beautiful place on this side. Very nice. Okay, so if you come here, enjoy. Very close to the fall fall. You can, but it's not really like today. You can see from here, you can climb all the way. It's not that bad. I mean, just have shoes because the rocks are really pointy. And in case the rain has happened, then they're gonna be all wet. So you got to be careful. So you can go all right there. So I'm gonna go slowly there and show you guys. Very beautiful. I love this. See the map right there in the water. Don't use slippers or use some nice shoes. If you want to go on this side, be careful. That would be really good. Right there, if you came from that side, beautiful right there, and that's where the falls is. Okay, so let's go close. See how far we can go. I always enjoy coming there and jumping from top of that. Like not like really that top, but like go 4 or 5 feet there, climb it, and go jump in the water. But right now, the water is very cold. It's not gonna be fun. So finally, where we are, right here. And now, from here you can see all the people, with the waterfalls and all that. So you're pretty much standing behind the fall. So that is really nice place. You can see right there. So very beautiful. So I will recommend this place. Visit anytime. Even you can go in water, because it's gonna really make you feel happy. I enjoy coming here. Even I can just sit here for hours and enjoy the moment. So thanks very much for watching. Subscribe if you like, and I will see you guys next video.